Yeah, what I like about this mall is that it's all about the visual aspects. It gives you the feeling like you're almost in a science fiction movie. Good afternoon. I'm here in front of the Siam Discovery, and this is located next to the Siam BTS Station. Well, it's actually between the Siam BTS Station and the National Stadium BTS Station. And today I want to give an update regarding this mall. The reason why I want to show you this mall is because, in my opinion, it's a bit underrated, and I only use this mall to cross between MBK and Siam Paragon until I had a better look at it, and then I realized that this is actually one of the coolest malls in Bangkok. Mall opened in 1997, but in 2016 they completely renovated everything and they refurbished the whole mall, and it was done by Nendo. This mall has a total of 7 floors, and every floor is called a lab. So I will show you all the floors you'll have here. So here on the fourth floor, you'll find the Madame Tussauds Museum, and I'm always carrying my tourist card that you can also use here, and you'll get 20% discount on the price. So let's go and have a quick peek inside the Madame Tussauds. When I'm in this mall, I always realize that I cannot find this connection between the Siam Discovery and the Siam Center. So this is on the second floor, so don't forget. I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Siam Discovery Mall. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.